Hello everyone, welcome to TQ Gate classes, an initiative by the TQ faculties. I am Nihit Bhatnagar. I have completed my MTech from IIIT Gwalior in Digital Communication in 2014. I have qualified GATE exam 6 times. At present, I am working as an assistant professor at ST Vidisha, Madhya Pradesh. I have more than 4 year teaching experience. So this is 11th lecture of the lecture series of random variable and random process. So at yesterday lecture we stopped at conditional PDF. तो जो conditional PDF होती है, the conditional PDF of x is given by the event y equal to capital Y equal to small y. So it means that the it's same like that. The conditional probability of event A when B is already happened. B is already happened. That is equal to P of A intersection B upon P of B. ओके सो सिमिलरली जो आपकी x जो आपका कंडीशनल पीडीएफ और रैंडम वेरिएबल x व्हेन y इज ऑलरेडी हैपन, तो उसको ऐसे गिवन बाय की फॉर्म में लिखते हैं इस तरह, एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू जॉइंट पीडीएफ ऑफ x y अपॉन मार्जिनल पीडीएफ ऑफ y, मार्जिनल पीडीएफ ऑफ y. इसी तरह देखिए यहाँ पर कंडीशनल पीडीएफ ऑफ y व्हेन इवेंट x इज ऑलरेडी हैपन, इट्स इक्वल टू ये इस फॉर्म में दे रखा है. इट इज आल्सो अ जॉइंट पीडीएफ. दोनों के आपकी जॉइंट पीडीएफ है, ये दोनों क्या है आपकी जॉइंट पीडीएफ, जॉइंट पीडीएफ. और ये आपकी ये एफ ऑफ वाई एंड एफ ऑफ एक्स, ये क्या आपकी मार्जिनल पीडीएफ, मार्जिनल पीडीएफ. ओके, ये मार्जिनल पीडीएफ है. देन सम अदर प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मार्जिनल पीडीएफ आर गिवन हियर इन नोट. ये जो इस पे जो क्वेश्चन आते हैं न्यूमेरिकल्स बहुत रेयर आए अब तक, आगे ही पॉसिबल मतलब बहुत रेयर है, लेकिन फॉर्मूले अगर आपको याद है तो आप बहुत ही न्यूमेरिकल बनेंगे भी तो बहुत सिंपल फ्रेम होंगे. तो इन फॉर्मूले जो लिखे हुए हैं इनको अगर हम मेमोराइज कर लें तो आपसे वो क्वेश्चन भी इजीली हो जाएंगे. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट नोट इज गिवन हियर, द जॉइंट पीडीएफ ऑफ x1 x2 व्हेन इवेंट x3 इज ऑलरेडी हैपन. First note is there, the joint PDF of x1 and x2 when x3 is already happened. So the it's similarly like that P A given B, the PDF of probability of event A given B, it's equal to the joint probability of A and B upon PB. तो सिमिलरली आपका जैसे ये डेफिनेशन जॉइंट पीडीएफ ऑफ x1 x2 x3 अपॉन मार्जिनल पीडीएफ ऑफ x3. सिमिलरली आपकी द पीडीएफ ऑफ x1, द पीडीएफ ऑफ x1 गिवन दैट x2 and x3 will already occur, it's equal to the joint pdf of x1 x2 x3 upon marginal pdf of x2 and x3. Similarly here they are so many possibilities are there. So for my suggestion to you that आप इस फॉर्मूलेस को सीधा याद रखें. इस पे क्वेश्चन वन सीधे आएंगे तो आपको कंफ्यूज होने की बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं है, सीधे क्वेश्चन आएंगे इस पे, तो फॉर्मूलेस को सीधा याद रखें आप. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ CDF. प्रॉपर्टी द स्टैटिस्टिकल independent continuous random variables. So x1 f of x means they are, it is a joint pdf of x1 x2 up to x of n random variable. If they all are x1 x2 x are independent random variable, so we can write it as the multiplication of their respective marginal PDFs. Multiplication of their respective marginal PDFs. So it is a very important property for two random variable x and y. If their joint PDF is defined like this, f of x comma y. If x and y are independent, so they can be, their joint PDF can be written as in term of multiplication of their respective marginal PDFs. Okay, now moves toward this question. This is the unique type of question. So the two random variables x and y are distributed according to, ये आपका joint PDF दे रखा है आपको, joint PDF f of x y equal to x plus y for x 0, for x varying from 0 to 1, y varying from 0 to 1 and 0 otherwise. Find the probability that x plus y less than equal to 1. It's x, it is y, and it is an equation line that is x plus y equal to 1. This is x plus y equal. So we have to find the probability that x plus y that is less than equal to 1. So it's equal to, it is equal to, when you have to find the probability, you have to do integration. You have to do integration. Okay. Now integration of what? Integration of PDF. And dy dx. Okay. Now we define a vertical limit here. We define a vertical limit here. Okay. So the limit of y is limit from 0 to y equal to 1 minus x. So that's why I write the limit of y here is the 1 minus x, because we are restricted at for x 0 to 1 and y also 0 to 1. Then other, and for limit of x is equal to 0 to 1. So apply the limit of okay, now apply the limits. So apply the function x equal to 0 to 1 and y equal to 0 to 1 minus x. Okay. Now put that that is x plus y, f of x is x y, then it is dy to the end. Then it is equal to, for limit x equal to 0 to x equal to 1, and the integration of this is x y plus y square by 2, and put the value 0 to 1 minus x, 0 to 1 minus x, and then dx equal to integration x equal to 0 to x equal to 1. Okay, so first put the limit of here is x, back in the first the upper limit of y is 1 minus x, that is 1 minus x plus half bracket में 1 minus x whole square and complete dx. Okay, equal to integration x equal to 0 to x equal to 1. Okay, but after multiplying x minus x square, then plus half bracket 1 plus x square minus 2x, 1 minus x square plus 2x, that is and that complete is in bracket. Dx. Okay, you can see the here now open it, x equal to 0 to 1, so it become x minus x square plus 1 by 2, then plus x square by 2, then minus x, and that is dx. So this x से ये x cancel हो गया, इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन दूसरा ये बनेगा आपका x इक्वल टू 0 to 1, x इक्वल टू 0 to 1, then it's become 1 by 2 minus x square by 2 and dx. So it's equal to half of x from 0 to 1 minus half x cube by 3 and limit 0 to 1. It's equal to half minus limit to 1 by 6 equal to 6. It's equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 by 6 equal to 1 by 3. So correct answer is 1 by 3 or 0.33. 0.33. Next topic is sum and subtraction of the random variable. So first point is that if a random variable z, that is x plus y, where x and y are mutually independent random variable. This is the important thing, very important. Then the PDF of random variable z is equal to the convolution of PDF of x and y. It's equal to the convolution of PDF of x and y. And the second point, when x is random variable z, that is x minus y. So the PDF of the random variable z is equal to the convolution of the random variable x and y. In both conditions, in both cases the common condition is mutually independent. अगर आपके x और y रैंडम वेरिएबल म्यूचुअली इंडिपेंडेंट है तो अगर आप प्लस प्लस कर रहे हैं, उनको ऐड कर रहे हैं, तो उससे जो न्यू रैंडम वेरिएबल बनेगा उसका जो पीडीएफ होगा वो आपका कन्वोल्यूशन होगा इंडिविजुअल रैंडम वेरिएबल्स का. और अगर आप उन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं तो जो रिजल्टेंट जो आपका रैंडम वेरिएबल प्रोड्यूस होगा उसका पीडीएफ एक्स और वाई का कन्वोल्यूशन के बराबर होगा. नाउ थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी, इफ एक्स रैंडम वेरिएबल है and y random variable with mean and sigma square variance and they are mutually independent, and Gaussian random variable, they are Gaussian random variable, and a and b are the arbitrary constant, and the z equal to ax plus by, so if x and y are the Gaussian random variable, so z is also a Gaussian random variable, z also yields a Gaussian random variable and with mean, that is equal to a plus minus b by a mu x plus minus b mu by, and variance sigma z square equal to a square sigma x square plus b square sigma y square. तो ये तीनों प्रॉपर्टी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. अब इसके डेरिवेशन में हम नहीं जा रहे, हमको सीधा यूज करना है. सो फॉर एग्जांपल ये क्वेश्चन आया हुआ आपका, टू इंडिपेंडेंट रैंडम सिग्नल x and y आर नोन टू बी गॉसियन. x and y गॉसियन है, मीन x नॉट और y नॉट है, एंड वेरिएंस सिग्मा एक्स स्क्वायर सिग्मा वाई स्क्वायर रेस्पेक्टिवली है x एंड y के. ए सिग्नल z इक्वल टू x माइनस वाई इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम देम. ठीक, ओके, z ऑब्टेन किया दोनों सब्ट्रैक्ट करने से, तो आप ये कंफर्म हो गया x अगर गॉसियन है एंड y गॉसियन, z भी क्या होगा आपका गॉसियन ही होगा. z क्या होगा गॉसियन. देन मीन ऑफ z नॉट एंड वेरिएंस सिग्मा z स्क्वायर एंड पीडीएफ ऑफ P of z is of the signal z is. तो जैसा कि आपने देखा कि गॉसियन होगा, इट मींस ऑप्शन ए एंड ऑप्शन डी ये करेक्ट हो सकते हैं, एंड ऑप्शन बी एंड ऑप्शन सी ये हट गए. ना तो रिले होगा ना यूनिफॉर्म होगा. गॉसियन है तो उनका एल्जेब्रिज्म गॉसियन ही आएगा. एंड वी हम यहाँ सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग द टू रैंडम वेरिएबल्स, सो द मीन इज आल्सो सब्ट्रैक्टिंग. सो ओके, दिस इज x naught minus y naught, here also x naught minus y naught. Okay, and the variance are added, variance will be added, variance will be added. So here it is, यहाँ पर there is a subtraction and is addition, so that's why the correct answer is option D. Okay, now same type of question. U and V be the two independent zero mean Gaussian random variables of variance. U का variance 1/4 और V का variance 1/9 दे रखा है. The probability that P 3V minus 2U, PV 3V greater than equal to 2U. It's ये पूछा इक्वल टू z. now it is a random variable z. So our questions become, it's z get n equal to 0. So we have to find the probability that z get n equal to 0. Now the z is a new random variable. Now first we find the mean of z. क्योंकि mean clears all the mean इसकी सारी काफी चीजें clear कर देगा. So expectation of z equal to expectation of v. What is value of z? That is 3v minus 2u. It's equal to 3 expectation of v minus 2 expectation of v. And it is given that the if u and v both have mean 0, it means it is 0 and it is also 0. So equal to 0. It means mean of random variable z, mu z, it is equal to 0. Okay, mean 0 हो गया. Okay, so the mean of random variable z is 0. So you can see here that if v is a Gaussian random variable and u is also Gaussian, z is also Gaussian. Z is also Gaussian, and its mean is 0. Z random variable is symmetric about its mean, and that is equal to mu equal to 0. And so it's look like something like this. And here is z, and here is PDF of f of z small z. Okay, p greater than equal to 0, or you can say it is also integration 0 to infinite f of z small z dz. इट मीन्स आपको इस म्यू इक्वल टू 0 से आपको इस रीजन का आपको एरिया फाइंड करना है. अब आप जैसा कि जानते हैं एरिया अंडर द कर्व एंटायर पीडीएफ इट्स इक्वल टू 1, एंड फॉर half region, because this curve is symmetric about mean and that is 0, that's why this integration is equal to half. That's why its integration equal to half. So the correct answer is option B. Now there is some another properties of two-dimensional random variable. What is covariance or correlation coefficient? The k comma nth moment of two-dimensional random variable is defined as, it means it is equal to expectation of x to the power k and y to the power n. It's equal to, देखिए जो प्रोफाइल यहाँ होती है वो सेम प्रोफाइल आपकी यहाँ बनती है, जो यहाँ होती है सेम प्रोफाइल आपकी यहाँ होती है, और साथ में क्या आता है आपका जॉइंट पीडीएफ. इट इज जॉइंट पीडीएफ ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई, joint PDF x and y in the form of discrete. ठीक है, in the confused the summation become integration and range from minus infinite to plus infinite, and same thing happens here. And now for 1,1 joint moment of xy, it is equal to m11, it's equal to xy, expectation of xy, it is expectation of xy. It can be written as in continuous form, summation minus infinite to plus infinite, and x y f of y x comma y into dx dy. Here in the form of summation, so it is summation xi yj p x y xi comma yj. Okay, it is called correlation of x and y. X and y. If this expectation of xy or correlation equal to 0, then x and y are mutually orthogonal. Now next thing next terminology is covariance. Covariance of xy, it is denoted by COV xy or sigma xy. It is denoted by COV xy or sigma xy. That is equal to expectation, that is equal to multiplication of two terms. First, expectation of x minus mean of x multiply with y minus mean of y and complete multiply. It is called the covariance. It is called covariance. It is represented in form of COV bracket में x comma y and or sigma xy. It can be represented in this form. Okay, if you multiply them, so I am going to multiply here. So expectation, within the expectation, x y minus x mu y, then minus mu x mu y. Then plus mu x y is equal to expectation of x y minus mu y expectation of x minus mu x mu y plus mu x expectation of y. Okay, you can see here it is the expectation, it is expectation of x and it is expectation of y. So it is mean of x or it is mean of y. So it will same thing will cancel. So it will ये क्या बन जाएगा expectation of x y minus it can be also written as expectation of x into expectation of y. So it is this term. If your covariance equal to 0, if your covariance is 0, it means x and y are uncorrelated. It means that x and y are uncorrelated. If x and y are uncorrelated, that's why covariance 0. If covariance 0, then this minus term become equal to, because covariance equal to 0. Covariance 0 तो ये टर्म क्या बन जाएगी, इक्वल टू हो जाएगा तो एक्सपेक्टेशन एक्स वाई इक्वल टू एक्सपेक्टेशन एक्स इंटू एक्सपेक्टेशन वाई. तो इसको एक बार वापस रिवाइज कर लेते हैं, इसको एक वापस से रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. सो सबसे पहले डिफाइन करते हैं कोरिलेशन of x and y, that is equal to expectation of xy. You can write also rxy, इसको इस फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हो आप. You can write it as rxy. Now if expectation of x and y equal to 0, it means x and y are orthogonal. Okay, next, covariance COV x comma y, or you can write it as sigma x y, that is equal to expectation of x minus mu x into y minus mu y. After this, after solving this multiply, you will get expectation of x y minus expectation of x into expectation of y. This is called covariance. If covariance is equal to 0, so COV x y equal to 0. If this yields expectation of x y equal to expectation of x into expectation of y, ये बना देगी. So if covariance 0, it means x and y are uncorrelated. They are uncorrelated, मतलब उनमें कोई कॉमन थिंग नहीं है, दोनों इंडिपेंडेंट है वेरिएबल. इसका सबसे अच्छा यूज होता है ना हमारे ट्रांसमिशन सिस्टम में होता है, टेलीकम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम होता है, जो आपका ट्रांसमीटर और रिसीवर होता है, उनमें कोरिलेशन चेक करना है कि जो डेटा हम भेज रहे हैं तो कुछ क्या उनमें कुछ कॉमन थिंग है, तो उनको उनके कोरिलेशन को चेक करने के लिए हम कोरिलेशन कोफिशिएंट कोरिलेशन का यूज करते हैं. So if x and y are uncorrelated, then expectation of x into y equal to expectation of x into expectation of y if they are uncorrelated. Now another thing, if x and y are independent means if x and y are independent, x y independent है, it means their joint PDF is equal to their multiplication of their marginal PDF. It is their joint PDF, joint PDF, and this is their marginal PDF, marginal PDF, their marginal PDF. Okay, so independent means f of xy joint PDF equal to the multiplication of their marginal PDF. अगर इंडिपेंडेंट है तो डेफिनेटली दे अनकोरिलेटेड होंगे, डेफिनेटली वो अनकोरिलेटेड होंगे. दैट्स व्हाई एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स वाई इक्वल टू एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स इनटू एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ वाई. दैट्स व्हाई वो क्या बन जाएंगे, एक्सपेक्टेशन एक्स वाई इक्वल टू एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स इनटू एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ वाई. बट इफ vice versa x and y are uncorrelated, that does not mean that they are independent. It does not mean they definitely independent. ध्यान रखिएगा आप कि अगर इंडिपेंडेंट है, ठीक है, तो डेफिनेटली वो क्या होगा, अनकोरिलेटेड होगा. बट वाइस वर्सा नॉट ट्रू. Vice versa is not true. Okay, if x and y are independent random variables, so expectation x y equal to expectation of x into expectation of y. This is not for this condition not happen due to independence. This is for the uncorrelated, because x and y are uncorrelated. That's why it's happened. And for the condition of independence, this f a joint PDF of x y equal to multiplication of the marginal PDF of x and y. So there is a g1 is a function of x and g2 is a function of y, and the correlation of g1 g2 is equal to, they also follow the rule of independent random variable. So it is equal to expectation g1x into expectation of g2y. Now next topic is the correlation coefficient, rho xy or rho bracket में x comma y or rho xy, that is equal to sigma xy upon sigma x into sigma y, and it has range from -1 to +1. It has the range from -1 to +1. This magnitude is always less than equal to unity. This is another question. Two random variables x and y are डेंसिटी, ये आपको दे रखी है, एफ ऑफ एक्स वाई दे रखा है. So, ये आपको कुछ दे रखी है. देन एक्स एंड वाई आर correlated but strictly independent, uncorrelated but strictly independent, correlated but strictly dependent, uncorrelated but strictly dependent. Okay, ये आपको correlation and independence चेक करनी है. Okay. So for to check independent, so if x and y are dependent random variables, so it is equal to expectation of x y from x y. It's equal to expectation, sorry, PDF of x y is equal to marginal PDF of x into marginal PDF of y. Okay, इसके बराबर होना चाहिए, इसके बराबर होना चाहिए. ओके, तो फर्स्ट आप क्या फाइंड करें, एफ ऑफ एक्स फाइंड करें, एफ ऑफ एक्स फाइंड करें. एफ ऑफ एक्स फाइंड करने का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, इट इज to make integration from all the entire range of y, and y is from 0 to 3, and here is f of y x comma y dy is equal to integration 0 to 3 f of xy, it is xy by 9, because f of xy is equal to x by 9, and this dy, okay, equal to, इट्स इक्वल टू एक्स कांस्टेंट है, बाहर आ जाएगा, इट्स x by 9 ये हो गया, एंड y स्क्वायर बाई 2 and that is 0 to 3. 0 to 3. So it's equal to 1 by 18 x, and after putting this 9, it's equal to x by 2. Is equal to x by 2. Now the marginal PDF of y, that is equal to integration from x equal to enter the range of x, that is 0 to 2. Actual formula is from x equal to minus infinite to plus infinite, plus here x is the non-zero values in between the range of 0 to 2. So and f of x y, that is x y by 9, and that is dx equal to, देन y बाई 9 ये बाहर चलेगा आपके, ये बन जाएगा आपका एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 2, रेंज फ्रॉम 0 टू 2 इक्वल टू, पुटिंग इट इज इक्वल टू y बाई 18 मल्टीप्लाई into 4, so it's equal to 2y by 9, 2y by 9. So as the rule of the independent, if x and y independent, so f of x y comma x y, that should be equal to f of x into f of y of y. So f of x is equal to x by 2 and f of y is equal to y by 9. 2 से 2 कैंसिल होगा, मल्टीप्लाई ये बन गया x y by 9, और that is equal to, that should be, that is equal to f of x comma y. That means they are independent. So independent डिपेंडेंट गलत है, तो सी और डी तो गलत हो गया आपके, तो ए और बी मिस होगा, मतलब एक्स वाई के आपके इंडिपेंडेंट है. Now going to find the correlation uncorrelation. The condition of uncorrelation: x and y are uncorrelated, so it's equal to expectation of xy equal to expectation of x into expectation of y, which is equal to expectation of y. Okay. So what is expectation of x y? That is equal to integration, double integration x y f of x comma y, f of x comma y. Okay, and it is dx dy, just dx dy equal to, now put the value and x here, now x and y range from 0 to 3 and x has a range from 0 to 2, equal to y equal to 0 to 3 and x equal to 0 to 2 xy, and f of xy equal to x y by 9 dx dy. ओके, इक्वल टू 1 माइन तो बाहर चलने दीजिए, ये बन रहा है एक्स स्क्वायर डी एक्स, तो ये बन जाएगा आपका एक्स क्यूब बाई 3 एंड लिमिट्स आर 0 to 2, and again y is y square dy, that is become y cube by 3 and limit from 0 to 3 equal to 1 by 9 into 1 by 9, 3 कॉमन ले लिया आपने. ओके, 1 by 9, then it's become 8 and it's become 27. Okay. It's 3. It's become it's 3. So that is 8 by 3. So expectation of xy equal to, so we have find the value expectation of xy, that is equal to 8 by 3. 8 by 3. Now for the, we have to find expectation of x and expectation of y and multiply them. If it is equal to expectation, that is x and y are uncorrelated. Going to find expectation of x. Expectation of x equal to integration minus infinite to plus infinite for the value of x, and it is x and the marginal PDF of x and dx equal to, and okay, now the x range from 0 to 2, x equal to 0 to 2, then x, then f of x, then f of x is equal to x by 2, ये हमने फाइंड किया था, and dx, so it's equal to हाफ बार आ गया आपका x into x square dx, it become x cube by 3, and it's equal to 0 to 2, equal to 1 by 6 into 2 to the power, it's equal to 8, so it's become 4 by 3. It is equal to 4 by 3. Now we have to find the value of expectation of y. Expectation of y equal to, from the limit y equal to minus infinite to plus infinite y, f of y dy, f of y dy, it's equal to integration y range from 0 to 3, and it is y, f of y was 2y by 9 and dy, so 2y by 9 बाहर चला गया, it is y square dy, तो it become y cube by 3 and range from 0 to 3, it's equal to 2 upon 9 into 3, and 3 to the power 3 is 27, and cancel, it's equal to 2. So if you multiply expectation of x into expectation of y, expectation of y is equal to 4 by 3, and 2, it's equal to 8 by 3, and that is equal to, from here, expectation of x comma y, it means they are uncorrelated, that's why the correct answer is option, they are uncorrelated and strictly independent, so option B is your correct answer. Now next question, find the covariance of x and y if x and y are independent. If x and y are the independent, तो आप जैसे जानते हैं कि x first portion, x and y are independent, so definitely x and y are uncorrelated, they are uncorrelated, so that's why covariance of COV of x comma y, it's equal to 0, तो first answer of first one is 0, तो पहले कोवेरियंस कितना आएगा 0. ध्यान रखिए x एंड y इंडिपेंडेंट, डेफिनेटली वो अनकोरिलेटेड होंगे, अनकोरिलेटेड उसका जो कोवेरियंस है क्या होगा, 0 के बराबर होगा, और कोवेरियंस 0 हो गया, तो इससे क्या पता लगा, एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ x y, इट्स इक्वल टू एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ x इंटू एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ y. लेकिन ये कंडीशन कहीं ये तो इंडिपेंडेंट रखा, लेकिन सिर्फ इस कंडीशन को देख के बोलते हैं x एंड y आर इंडिपेंडेंट, तो ये गलत होगा, x एंड y आर द इंडिपेंडेंट होने की एक ही कंडीशन है कि f ऑफ x y देयर जॉइंट PDF इज इक्वल टू मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ देयर मार्जिनल PDF, उनके रेस्पेक्टिव मार्जिनल PDF के मल्टीप्लाई की ही बराबर होना चाहिए, तभी द वैलिड कंडीशन ऑफ valid condition of independent. Valid condition of independent. Okay. तो इस पहले का आंसर एक आंसर 0 आ गया. नाउ पार्ट बी करते हैं. नाउ पार्ट बी. फाइंड द कोवेरिएंस ऑफ x find the covariance of x and y if y is related x by y equal to x plus b. So covariance find करना है, तो that is sigma xy equal to expectation of x minus mu x multiply y minus mu y. It's also equal to expectation of x y minus expectation of x into expectation of y. Expectation of y. Okay. So sigma हम इसको यूज करेंगे, इस टर्म को यूज करेंगे. तो expectation of, now put the value of y here. X and y is equal to ax plus b, then bracket minus expectation of x and expectation of y is x plus b. Okay, then equal to expectation of, it's a x square plus b x, then bracket minus expectation of x into bracket a expectation of x, a expectation x plus expectation of b is equal to b. Okay, now opening this, so it's become a expectation of x square plus b expectation of x minus a expectation of x whole square minus b expectation of x. Then this term से this term cancel, it's equal to a कॉमन ले लिए, ये बन गया आपका expectation of x square. This is का मीन स्क्वायर वैल्यू माइनस एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ x होल स्क्वायर, मीन का होल स्क्वायर, एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू a into sigma x square, that is equal to sigma a square. So the covariance at part b is equal to part b is equal to a square into sigma x square. Okay, now moves towards next question. This question is there. If two random variables z and w are defined as z equal to x plus ay and w equal to x minus ay respectively, where x and y are another random variable. Z and w are the random variable, and x they consist of x y, and x and y are the another random variable, and a is the real number, any constant. So for what value of a की किस वैल्यू के लिए, and z and w are mutually orthogonal. Z and W are mutually orthogonal. First we have to know what is orthogonal. So orthogonal is expectation of that two random variable is equal to 0. तो expectation कौन orthogonal है, Z and W, तो expectation of Z and W it's equal to 0. Okay, then put the value of Z and W. Z is equal to a x plus a y bracket, and w equal to x minus ay equal to 0. Okay, expectation of it's equal to x square minus ay x, then plus a yx minus a square y square minus a square y square. Okay, then this term से this term cancel हो गई, and it is equal to 0. So it is equal to expectation of x square, मतलब mean square value of x minus a square, and it is equal to expectation of y square equal to 0. So then for this a equal to root over expectation of x square upon expectation of Why is that? So the correct answer is option not A, not B. It is option C. Option C. Now, so there's another question. There's another big question. So this question we will discuss tomorrow class. यू जस्ट आपकी प्रॉपर्टीज पढ़ के आइएगा सारी, तो इस क्वेश्चन को हम अटेम्प्ट करेंगे। आप चाहे तो खुद से भी अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं। आप इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप कमेंट बॉक्स में दीजिएगा यूट्यूब के। थैंक यू वेरी मच।